Hey guys, what's up again? So we're going to go over the judge panel sheet, what we have to have done for the judges, and this has to be done by Tuesday at 3 p.m. because I have to print these out in color for all the judges, so you must have them done. So you need to open your judge panel sheet, make a copy, make your own. What we need is we need the logo up there, whatever it is, keep Don Tank. You need to write out your mission, and you need to write out your vision. Also in here as well, the service description. You need to write out what your service intends to do. Everything that you write needs to be in Times New Roman and 12 font the way it is. Down here, we've already talked with financial, so get with your financial people. They've watched the financial tutorial on how to get these numbers and figures. They're going to have to do valuation, and they're going to do the investment portion. You need to put someone on list your competitors. So when it says list your competitors, it simply just means whoever your competitors are. This is all I expect you to do. If these are your competitors, this would be how you would write it, just like this. All the way through, that's it. You don't have to say anything, just put that like that. For financial, they know what to do. The left one is going to be the pie chart. So they'll have to go in, or you'll have to go into the DTFD that is open. You'll go to their pie chart or whatever pie chart you have available, and I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. I'm going to come back to my judge panel sheet, and I'm going to click in there, and I'll go the slow way and do it Edit Paste. You'll notice you get this screen. Just click Paste Unlinked, and then click Paste. That's it. Then I'm going to go do the same thing for my column graph that I need. So I'm going to go back into DTFD. I'm going to go where my column was, and I'm going to make sure I highlight it, Edit, Copy, go back into judge panel sheet, make sure it's highlighted like it is, Edit, Paste. And make sure to click the paste unlinked and click paste. And there we go. We are in there. Perfect. Good. Oh, no. Yep. See, but that's okay. I'll recorrect that. Make sure I can scoot it up there. And again, this only has to be one page. So good. It made it perfect. Probably my mission and vision, maybe a little longer service description. And I need to put my company name here. And I need to make sure that it is centered in the middle. Perfect. Whatever it is. But this is your judge panel sheet. At 3 o'clock, this must be shared with me. That's the only way I'm going to do this. Click share. We're going to go there. My name there, VM McLeod, so forth. You'll see my little asterisk come up in the background. You can type in your name of your company if you would like. Judge panel sheet and click send. It'll send to me. You're done. I will have your copies printed then. But again, this has to be done at 3 p.m. If it is not, I am subject to your company not doing the presentation. So you have to have it done by 3 p.m. Tomorrow. That is Tuesday, 5/22. So get on, people. Get this done. They know what to do, but we got to follow through on this one. So good luck with it. Any questions, send me a reminder. No problem.